Yo YouTube, it's your boy Mark, man. Back with another video. I know I haven't been recording for a minute ever since I graduated. I haven't been recording like that. I haven't picked up the camera. Really didn't have much to record. Nothing really been popping, been boring, corona, quarantining. Well, I haven't been quarantined, I ain't gonna cap, but yeah, haven't been stuff to record and stuff like that. Well, what I did happen to me was I sold my black Infiniti. I sold that. If y'all guys don't know, I paid $3,500 for that car. Paid $3,500 for it. Sold it to some kids from New York, from Brooklyn. I sold it for $4,600. Yeah, so that was a cool little profit or whatever. Then yeah, I want to go buy another car just to flip, because y'all know I'm just flipping cars, man. You know, I don't like working for nobody. I'm just flipping cars on the side, you feel me? I got school coming up. I enrolled in school. I'm going to Pinko Tech. Like, got a lot of stuff going on right now. I bought another car right here. I bought this right here. It's an 01 Honda Civic. I paid $600 for it. This car has 69,000 miles on it, but it been keyed or whatever. Like, I don't know if y'all guys hear the camera pick it up, but it been keyed. But for a little Honda, it's cheap. It lasts forever. This car has, like I said, 69,000 miles on it. It got a little dent right here. You see that one? Well, this right here is my brother's mom car. She had this car since brand new, and this was like a 2004. This car probably has way over 250,000 miles. It came from Ohio, came all the way down here to Philly. Like, yeah, she got a little fender bender, scrapes, but like I said, these cars last forever. This is stick shift, and she got a little tow hitch on the back because she was towing a little trailer with this Honda. That's the same one as the one over there. So if this car got 250,000 miles on it, you feel me? That right there was 69,000 miles. You feel me? It's gonna do right. And excuse this right here. I don't know who car this is. That's my Infiniti taken apart. I gotta get it took into the junkyard. Yeah, it's ready for, like, I don't know. I gotta find somebody who could junk it because they don't got no title to it. But yeah, I gotta get this out of here. That's like an eyesore. People think we a chop shop. And then I just got back from picking up another car, my new daily, because I've been daily in my truck for the past week, bro. And I put on everything. I was daily in my truck for a whole week, driving it every single day. I spent $150 in gas alone on my truck in just 7 days. Can't do that. So picked up another car, boom, called a Nissan. And you know, I'm an Infiniti boy, so I gotta stay with a Nissan or Infiniti. This got a V6, just like my Infiniti, got the same engine in it. This car is quick. It's not no fast car, but it's quick. It do 100 fast. Like, I literally just picked this car up, guys. It's a 2009. Let me know what y'all. I'm gonna walk around the car. Y'all gotta tell me what y'all think. I paid for this car. It's a 2009. The car does have a lot of miles on it. The car has 200,000 miles on it. I know y'all probably just like, whoa. I know y'all just like, whoa, 200,000 miles, that's a lot. Yes, it's a lot. I told myself I would never buy a car with 200,000 miles, but for the price and the maintenance, I know this guy lived in a big house. I'm just like, he got money. I know he took care of this car. He had the car since 2010. He had the car since 20,000 miles. He said he didn't put a new transmission in it. Brand new transmission last year. He didn't change brakes, tires, tune-ups, oil change, all that. So if somebody take care of a car, it's still going to last a long time. Nissans could last a long time. I see them go up to 250,000 miles. I'm not keeping it for that long. Y'all know I'm gonna flip it, but I'm gonna drive it for a little bit. But yeah, tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think I paid for this car. AC work. Oh, that's another thing. My truck don't have AC, so I needed a car ASAP with AC, and Sydney's in a car chilling with the AC. You know, you can't have a girlfriend and not have AC. I didn't see this right here. I didn't know that happened, but that right there can get fixed. That's minor. I'm really not worried about that too much, but yeah, I'm gonna have to find somebody to buff these headlights out. Got fog lights down there. Really do got some good tires on it. The inside need to be detailed. Car is so dirty, like, it's so disgusting, but I'm gonna clean it up. But yeah, look at all the dirt inside here. It's literally dirt all in the cracks. I'm about to get it. Expose the car like that? No, I'm about to clean it up. Okay. No check engine light. AC works good. This car literally was like, it was not It was not taken care of because
look in here, y'all.
It's like, look at, oh my God, it won't focus. Look at that. That's a cigarette lighter. It's filled. And it got a penny in here, so that cigarette lighter probably not gonna work no more. That's all dirty. Like, oh my God, but you know, it's whatever. Cause I'm gonna clean it up. Back seats is dirty a little bit, but y'all, it ain't nothing I can't handle. And y'all need to let me know too what y'all want to see with videos. That's another reason why I was recording, because I didn't have too many ideas. I don't know if I want to keep doing the flipping videos. I don't know if y'all enjoy them, but it's just like, probably that's gonna be the only thing I really record and vlogging and stuff. Yeah, this is my car trailer right here. Y'all done seen this in a few videos. I really didn't talk about this too much. I done bought this car trailer for $800. Literally made my money back already. Like, this probably was the best investment I ever have done. I've been wanting a car trailer for the longest. I need to get it rewired, get the brakes working on it, I need to put some lights on it. And yeah, but I'm gonna start cleaning on this car right here because it's disgusting. I want to get this tint taken off because this tint right here, if y'all get to see, is all bubbly and you really can't see out of it. This right here, they took the tint off this window, but they left it right here. So some little stuff I need to do. I got up early, still got a long day ahead of me, so let's get some work done. All right, y'all. It's like, I don't know, a half a day later. It's like a half a day later. We cleaned the inside out. Me and Sydney. It look a lot better. I'm gonna go around my side. I didn't show like a real before picture on the driver's side, but it was bad. Like, hold on, Sydney. It was real bad. Like, it was so disgusting in here. Like, this stuff was so dirty. I don't know if y'all remember, but if it's gonna focus. This was super dirty. That was so dirty. You couldn't even see the letters. Like, I cleaned all this up. Like, it's a lot better now. This is still a little dirty, but it's not as bad as it was before. Just shut the door. Oh, we got the back door open. Said what? I just got that. I ain't selling it yet. I ain't selling that yet, man. It's just for a little bit. Nah, hold up. 15. Yeah. What's wrong with it? Nah, I just gotta get rear struts on it. Oh, that's it? Facebook, man. Yeah. Look, he just asked me, dude over there just asked me, he buy cars too. He was driving by, he just asked me like how much I want for the car. I'm like, I ain't selling it. He's like, he started laughing. He's like, haha. I'm like, nah, man, you be stealing all my cars. Like, I ain't about to sell you this, John. He was like, matter of fact, the car he driving, I think it's the car I was trying to buy too. The car he driving right now, it was a car I was trying to buy. That's what you get trying to drink my water. You spilled it over yourself. But yeah, I ain't selling this car just yet. I just got it. It's gonna be my daily for a little bit. But what I was saying was, we cleaned it up. It's shining a little bit. Well, yeah, I gotta get that clean as well. We did a rush job because you had to use the bathroom. So I've rushed. Like I said, all this stuff is like looking better, way better than before. Now we got bubble tint on here. We about to still finish up the car. Dirt in here. It's like oil and stuff on here. About to get this tint off because this is so bad. You can't see out of this, yo. You can't see out of the back window. Watch this. Like, you can't even, when you drive, you can't see it. So hold the camera right here for me. Oh, that's not good, though. Look how it's pulling off. It's not even pulling off right.
Oh, the other thing isn't coming off with it. There you go.
Nah, it ain't gonna come off right. I might have to probably get a heat gun or something. Even though it's already hot outside.
Let me see. I wanna try.
Hold on. Let me at least get something started like a good roll. Oh, this sucks. It's gonna suck bad. Yeah, I might low-key take this joint to somebody professional because I really don't feel like doing this. This is going to be so bad. This tent's so old, you know.
Yeah, the tent could be old. How was he driving with it on there?
This is that old stuff. And it's cheap stuff. Alright, y'all, so this right here after like 45 to an hour of cleaning. Final product, car looking so clean, yo. It just getting a wax. I did a basic wash. Got the tires shining, tires clean. Mind y'all, I hope y'all guess the price I paid for this car. Like I said, it's a 2009. Wheels is clean. Car got a nice little shine to it.
Yeah, you need to paint that back bumper. You paint that bumper, you make that alright.
I don't know if I'm gonna paint that bumper. This right here just a little daily right now.
Man, you gotta make it look good though.
It look good, shining.
Fix that little crack right there, put some Bondo on it, smooth it out.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fix that crack, put the bottom,
Crack, and then
pull the grill up.
Fix that little tack right there, boom, and just stop.
I got this stuff for the headlights to get the headlights clean, but I gotta get the drill.
When was that? They tried to take the tint off?
I tried to. The tint, I'm gonna take it to a shop and get the tint taken off. That stuff's so sticky and it stink. Some cheap
You
tint.
can't heat it up and take it off?
I don't know. That stuff's so sticky and everything. I'm gonna probably have some people take that off.
Can you spray tint remover on it?
Probably.
Put your towel down in the backpack, then a plastic bag.
Yeah.
And then spray some tint remover on it.
Uh,
It'll probably come off then. Because all it is loosening that glue up.
yeah. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. If you guys like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe with your friends. I'm going to get back on the grind of recording videos. I'm going to post that car up, that black car. I think it might need a transmission, don't know. There's a bunch of weird stuff going on with it, but it's whatever. One last little step back of this car right here. If y'all guys didn't catch how much I paid for this car, I paid $1,500 for this car, clean title. Really no problems with it. I got to get rear struts in the back, that's $45. Get these headlights cleaned up, get this crack fixed, put an emblem on it, little minor stuff, you feel me? Front rotors, and really much, that's pretty much it. I'm probably going to put some tint on it because as you can see, I'm fishbowl. You can see my girl, I don't like that. I don't like when people see me in the car, so yeah, I'm out.